Welcome to TechWire, a conversation about government, politics, and technology in California. My name is Christina Gagnier, and today I'm joined by Paul Benedetto, the Chief Deputy Director for California's Department of Technology. Paul, thank you for joining us again.
Christina, it's nice seeing you again. How are you doing?
Good.
Good.
So today we're at a conference about project management in the information technology space. Why is project management so important?
God, I can't just tell you one reason. I could give you a whole host of reasons. Most of our largest projects are for our biggest programs. And the projects that we run, whether it's out of OSI or the other agencies or the other departments who run these projects, do it for the citizens of California. I'll give you a great example, child welfare, or the SAW systems. All of those support some of our most disadvantaged people in the state. If we're not successful with those projects, those programs fail. Everybody uses technology. All these programs use technology. This is a way for us to upgrade that technology, to upgrade the services that we provide the people of California. That's why these projects are so important. And that's why I think this kind of a forum where we focus on project delivery versus project management versus project, some of the normal stuff you talk about in a project management institution, project delivery is extremely important. The ability to execute is extremely important.
Well, you just gave a great example that I think a lot of people wouldn't, put together, child and welfare services with, IT project management, but the two fit hand in hand in terms of service delivery. What are some of the unique challenges that are faced by the Department of Technology? I mean, California is a very big state, so I imagine that the projects that you're managing are large in scope.
Well, so we don't necessarily manage the projects. We provide a lot of the oversight, we help projects. I know Carlos will be talking to you a little later, and he'll talk a lot about this new project recovery kind of division we're going to have, where we go out and we help projects stay on track, or we help them be successful. I think the most important thing that we can do, or any of the departments to do, is to make sure that when we put together these projects, we're doing them, we have the right people. And so this is going to help us. The Project Management Academy that Carlos wants to put together will help us get the right people to understand how to manage these projects. Then a very critical step is our ability to have partnerships with the vendor community. That's critical. A lot of the time, state entities or state people will think of it as a us versus they. What we've tried to do is turn the corner and say, no, everything we do is in cooperation and collaboration with our vendor partner. And so together we deliver these services to the people of California, whether it's child welfare or our state automated welfare systems or our EBT programs or driver's license or our unemployment modification stuff or unemployment insurance mod stuff for EBD. These are all for the people of California. And when we start understanding that a little better, I think we'll realize that there is a true partnership.
And how does change management play into all of this? You hear that talked about a lot, especially in project delivery circles, and it's very important.
Yeah. I don't, so I'm going to apologize to everybody my age and older. We don't do change. First of all, we don't do change well. So when different projects or different opportunities arise where we can change the way we do business, we a lot of the times we don't embrace that. The change management part of projects is the ability to take an organization and kind of put it through the belly of the snake and change it so that now the way that we're doing business today is going to change dramatically as we roll out this new technology, which is going to be able to provide a lot more services to the people of California, and the ability to get people to understand that change, live that change, embrace the change, and then basically execute the change is truly what change management is about. It's also so fundamentally important to what we do as a business, because we are always changing. We do not do driver's licenses the same way today as we did in 1950 or 1970 or 1990. We do it differently. And so the programs need to change, the people need to change as we push out these new opportunities for our citizens.
So as future leaders arise in this space, and I know that you are coming to the end of your tenure in your current position, what's some advice that you can share?
Drink a lot? No. I think probably the most important thing that I could share is to be open to new ideas, to partner with the community that's going to help us be successful, to build great relationships, and to why you should take your job serious. Don't take the life around your job so serious. Have some fun, because these are very important programs to the people of California. We have a moral obligation and a duty to make sure these programs meet the needs of the people. And when we understand that, and when we start working with and collaborating with everybody that we need to collaborate, I think we're going to be fine.
Well, Paul, I want to thank you for joining me once
Christina,
again and
thank
sharing
you.
your
I've
insight.
enjoyed this. This has been a lot of fun.
I know we've had several of these.
I know we have, and I appreciate it. Thank you very much. I appreciate what you guys in TechWire are doing on these events. It's crucial for us.
Great, thank you. And thank you to our audience for once again joining us in a conversation about government, politics, and technology in California.